In this video, you will learn why focus is the most important thing for success in business and in life. What is up, everybody? Dimitris Katas here. Hope you're doing fantastic. Here we are, just another video of helping you, serving you. Today, I want to talk about one word that has 5 letters, okay, and it's one of the most important words that you need to learn if you want to succeed in business and in life, but let's talk business here. And what is the word? The word is drum roll, please. Focus. And no, I'm not talking about Ford Focus. Okay, that was a bad joke, I know, but I'm talking about focus overall. I'm talking about focus on doing one thing only and doing it fantastically well. Actually, did you know that the word focus is an acronym? No, you didn't know? Okay, let me help you see that the word focus, yes, indeed, is an acronym. And I will get to select one different color so you can see. So what does focus stands for? Focus stands for follow one course until success. Focus means follow one course until success. And I'll tell you why. And this is one of the concepts that I learned from Dan Herney, where he said that this is the circle of focus. So let's say that you have like your own business, and let's say that you, for example, are an agency. So when you are an agency, you have like literally a million things to do. So if your job alone is to run like Facebook advertising for your agency, okay, this is what takes 100% of your time. And when you only focus on one thing, you become a beast at it. You become really, really good. It's because you focus on one thing only, so you know and you understand the ins and outs, the advantages and disadvantages of what are you doing, so you can become really, really good at it. And let's say right now that if you are just a one-man show, and let's say maybe even you have like an employee, let's say that right now you don't focus so much on Facebook ads, and then you decide to do also Google ads. So here the Facebook ads is just 50% of your time. And then Google advertising is because you said, you know what, I want to jump into advertising as well, into Google advertising. So let me spend some times here as well. So right now you spend 50% of your time on Facebook, and then you spend 50% your time on Google ads. And then this is what happens. You simply have not one focus, you have 2 different things that you need to do. So you have number 1 thing and thing number 2. And then what happens if you say, okay, it's good that I'm running Facebook ads, but I want to start like building a lead generation campaign, and I want to start doing emails, or let me write a blog as well. So you write the blog, you start because you want to attract clients, you do the email marketing, you still do the Google, you still do the Facebook. So now you understand that you get 25% of each. And this is where you completely lose focus. And what really, really happens is that people, they don't stop there. Usually what happens is this. So you say, okay, I want to run the Facebook advertising. And then I want to do a little bit of Google. And then some friend told me about native advertising. I want to check this out. And then I want to start building a better funnel. And then I want to write like better emails. And then I want to focus more onto the blog. And then I want to focus on Google as well. And then I want to do a little bit of YouTube as well. And then what really happens is that you give 12.5% or whatever the percent is on it. So you became literally from a beast in doing one thing to completely doing bullshit. You don't get to do anything. And how do I know? Yes, I learned the concept from Dan Kearney, which is amazing, by the way. I highly, highly recommend that you get his book, Digital Million Secrets. It's really, really good. But overall, I was doing that in my business for a very, very long time. Worst case scenario, do you know what unsuccessful people do? They get to focus, and they say they get to focus on different businesses. So they start with one, which is the agency, which usually is 100% the agency, and then they say, oh man, let me start like with drop shipping. So they start a drop shipping store. And let me run some affiliate marketing campaigns. So they start writing, and then let me have some coaching clients as well, and then they start add more, and then completely lose focus. I can tell you from experience, because I used to do that myself, because I had like the mastermind that I had to deal, then I had public speaking gigs that I was traveling the world. I was doing consulting, and I was doing info product businesses, like selling courses. And then I added last year one e-com business for myself, one local business. So you see that I completely lost focus from the one thing I was doing, and I was doing it really, really good. And then I came here, 20% consulting, 20% on the mastermind, 20% on the public speaking, 20% of that. So literally, if you get to focus and you get to follow one course until successful, and the course doesn't mean a course necessarily, means one business model. You focus on one thing and start doing it really, really good. Okay, I know that in the beginning, no matter what is the business, you need to be doing everything yourself, because you won't have a budget, or you won't have the time, or you're still gonna work a 9-to-5 business. But overall, you need to understand is that when you focus on one business model, and then you focus only on one thing alone, you need to start thinking of how can you outsource the non-important tasks. So for you, you need to be focusing only on IPAs, and that stands for income producing, it's really difficult to write vertical, activities. So what are income producing activities? You need to be focusing on running ads, or writing sales copy, or writing product description. You don't need to do the logo for your store. You don't need to take the orders, or to talk on the phone with people. Always be focusing on income producing activities. And always, what I said, focusing. Focus is the key right here. I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. Please show us your love and your appreciation by liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing to your friends. Shout out us on Instagram. Go to national TV. Do something about it. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but please like the video and comment the video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.